It was everywhere. Spinning, playing, filling rooms with sound. People loved it. It defined an era. But then, almost overnight, it disappeared. This was how people experienced music. Physical, tangible, real. You didn't just hear it. You felt it. Owning music meant holding it in your hands. And for a long time, that was enough. Then something changed. Not the sound, not the quality, but the way people wanted to listen. Faster, easier, more accessible. And suddenly, this wasn't convenient anymore. It didn't break. It didn't fail. It just became slower. Too physical, too limited, too outdated for a world that was moving faster. And little by little, people moved on. It wasn't replaced because it was bad. It was replaced because something easier came along. Because in the end, people don't stick with what's best. They stick with what's easiest. And the moment something easier appears, even the most loved things can be left behind. Subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this one.